World's Best Mixologists of December 2020 brought to you by Advanced Mixology. We are rounding a batch of bartenders and mixologists whose journey into the cocktail world is anything but ordinary. Check the link given in the description box below for the full review. 1. Nathan Ford. Nathan Ford is the owner and chief bartender of Old Fashioned Events. This is a private events company that brings 1930s Prohibition-style whiskey pop-up bars to parties and special occasions in Australia. 2. Heather Wibbels. Heather is also known within mixology land as the Cocktail Contessa. Her passion is introducing more people to whiskey as a base spirit and converting people to bourbon and rye. 3. Victor Weber. Victor Weber is a French mixologist born and raised in Alsace. He was given the Young Talent of the Grand Est award in France for his cocktail pastry concept. 4. Marco Dongi. Marco Dongi first worked as a PR for many clubs in Milan before he eventually became a bartender. It was just a regular job until he realized that he was interested in the subject and was getting pretty good at it. 5. Tiger Chang. Tiger Chang is a master bartender at the luxury 5-star Mandarin Oriental Hotel Bar in Taipei, Taiwan. He's everything you can imagine from a bartender with jaw-dropping flair and showmanship. 6. Silvia Daniela Istrate. Silvia Daniela Istrate is from Rome and is one of the strongest and most gifted bartenders at the national and international level. She is known for her grace but also for her energy that characterizes her unique style. 7. Mario Farulla. Mario Farulla is the bar manager at Baccano in Rome. He maintains a philosophy that a good cocktail can be complicated or easy, as long as it's the right drink for the customer. 8. Agostino Perrone. Agostino Perrone is a master mixologist and director for mixology at the Connaught Bar in Mayfair, London. His mixology chronicles began somewhere on the shores of Lake Como in Italy. 9. Moe Aljaff. Moe Aljaff worked in hospitality for 6 years before he went full mixologist in 2016. He is now co-founder and owner at Two Schmucks in the city. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.